Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Angular 19, Data Types. Angular 19. Angular. Angular TypeScript, TypeScript. Asterisk. 1. Data types kia-ode hain. 2. TypeScript, data types in TypeScript. Asterisk, number. Asterisk, string. Asterisk, boolean. Asterisk, array. Asterisk, tuple. Asterisk, enum. Asterisk, any. Asterisk, void. Asterisk, null and undefined. Asterisk, never. Asterisk, object. 3. Angular, using data types in Angular. Asterisk, in components. Asterisk, in services. Asterisk, in models. 4. Type inference. 5. Type assertion. 6. Advanced data types. Asterisk, union types. Asterisk, intersection types. Asterisk, generic types. 7. Best practices. 8. Conclusion. 1. Data types kia-ode hain. Value. True/false. Readable, secure, efficient. 2. TypeScript, data types in TypeScript. TypeScript JavaScript, static typing. Asterisk, number. Numerical values, integer, floating point numbers. Asterisk, string. Asterisk, boolean. True, false. Asterisk, array. Elements. Asterisk, tuple. Elements. Asterisk, enum. Named constants. Asterisk, any. Type safety, disable. Asterisk, void. Asterisk, null and undefined. Null undefined. Null. Undefined. Asterisk, never. Never. Asterisk, object. Object, non-primitive values, objects. 3. Angular, using data types in Angular. Angular. Asterisk, in components. Asterisk, in services. Asterisk, in models. API. 4. Type inference. TypeScript. Initial value. Maintainable. 5. Type assertion. TypeScript. Asterisk as asterisk. Asterisk, angle bracket syntax. 6. Advanced data types. TypeScript. Asterisk, union types. Asterisk, intersection types. Asterisk, generic types. Reusable. 7. Best practices. Asterisk. Asterisk any. Asterisk. Asterisk. Asterisk, linters, static analysis tools. 8. Conclusion. Angular 19. Angular.